Good evening, guys. How are you today? Today is magagawa tayo ng tacos. Homemade tacos. Kasi yan ang gusto ng ilang hapunan. Ito pala, nagisa lang ako ng bawang. Ito, and onion with the ground beef. First, fry ko lang. Yan, ito na guys. I-add ko lang siya ng taco seasoning. A little bit of fry. Ayan. Luto tayo. Yan ang gusto nilang hapunan. Tacos. Homemade tacos, guys. Pepper a bit. Hi guys, luto na yung ating tacos. Ayan, yung meat. Luto na yung ating meat. Yummy. Juicy. Oh. Beautiful centerpiece. From our garden. Ooh. Hi guys, ito pala, naghiwa na ako. Nakapaghiwa na ako ng lettuce, kamatis, tomatoes, onion, salsa, and cheese, and of course. Ayan yung aking taco shell. Ayan na guys. So ready na yung aming tacos. Kakain na tayo. Our tacos for tonight. Our hapunan, guys. Sarap. Juicy meat. Ayan, kakain na tayo. Look at that. Look at that. Ready na. This it. Kain na tayo guys for supper. Yummy tacos. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Happy weekend guys. Thank you so much. Bye.